In this video, I want to be telling you guys how you can actually make money from rabbit farming without selling your rabbits. So yeah, welcome back to this channel. In this channel, we teach you how to become successful rabbit farmers, successful rabbit breeders, and a pet owner. So if that's what you find interesting, consider liking and subscribing to this channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. So first of all, the first thing you need to look out for is starting a rabbit farm. That's how you can actually make the money, starting the rabbit farm, not by selling the rabbits, but you need to start up a rabbit farm so that at least people around you will know that, okay, you're a rabbit farmer. Then the first thing you can actually make money through is actually making some of the rabbit feeders. Yes, making some of these particular rabbit feeders here. You can use it to make money. Selling them, you can advertise them on Facebook, you can advertise them on Instagram, you can advertise them on Twitter. And there are apps like Gigi you can actually use to advertise these feeders. Even without the person knowing you, you can just see your number there and call you. As when I started farming rabbits, I was selling this. Yes, I was selling this. Even till today, if you go on Gigi, my post is still there. I go there to renew it once in a while. I was selling this. Even this was the first feeders I was selling. Let me show you. I still have the first kind of design here. This particular one. This is the first one I did. And then I did not know how to do this particular round type, so I was using it to make some few cash, at least some money that was able to sustain my rabbit farm when it comes to like feeding them and stuff like that. You guys know the feed are very expensive, so you can actually also start selling these feeders. Yes, use it to make some good money for yourself even without selling any of your rabbits. Another thing you can also use to make money when it comes to rabbit farming is through selling your rabbit manure. A lot of you will say, how can I sell the rabbit manure? I'll put in one message there, like one comment on one of our fellow subscribers video which he did on rabbit farming about rabbit poop. The guy said he made a lot of dollars selling rabbit manure. I'll put in the picture on this video so that you can actually see. So you can also sell this your rabbit manure. One thing I would like to tell you guys is that you can't just sit in your house there thinking people will start looking for you. No one knows you are a rabbit farmer. No one knows you have this rabbit manure. Tell people around, go to farms. There are people farming crops like maize. There are people farming water leaf. There are people farming pumpkin leaves. You can go and meet them. Tell them the advantages of this rabbit manure that is better than the chicken one they are buying, because they buy a lot of chicken manure and they use fertilizers. If you're able to convince them for them to stick to your rabbit manure, don't you think you won't be able to supply, because this people uses a lot of manure? Yes, so you need to even be buying some from some few farmers here. I don't sell my rabbit manure because I use them to farm. Yes, I use them to farm. If you check some of my videos, you see that I also farm cassavas and some crops too in a little scale. So I use them to farm. So I don't want to be selling them. If I wanted to sell them, I know people I'll go and meet that see what I have here for sale, and they'll surely come and buy if they know this one is better than what they are using and your price is more affordable for them. Yes, so you can actually go and meet those people, tell them the importance of this manure so that you can actually sell them. Another thing is also selling your rabbit urine. Yes, selling your rabbit urine, you can also use it to make a lot of money. There are a lot of people looking for rabbit urine to buy online. You can even sell your rabbit urine on Facebook. You can sell them on Instagram. I'll put some comment on this video showing you guys some people asking for rabbit urine. In short, they did not even see the rabbit urine to buy. So you can go on Facebook, search for rabbit urine. You see those asking, I need rabbit urine, I need rabbit urine. You just tell them, hit them up. If they put their number there, you can just call them, say, you have this quantity, can you buy? Yes. I don't collect my rabbit urine for this particular case, but I collect it for others. I still use it in farming. So you can also do same too. Use your rabbit, sell your rabbit urine to farmers who farm in large scale, and also maybe rabbit farmers that also need it to sell to other rabbit farmers, because there are some rabbit farmers that need this particular rabbit urine, not that they are using it, but they have people who need it in large demand and they can meet that demand, so they buy from others to sell out to those people that need it. Yes, so another thing you can also use to make money is making rabbit cages. Making rabbit cages like this, even if it is 4 rooms, 6 rooms, 10 rooms, make them, advertise them online that you have them for sale. Even if it is the wire cages, the iron cages, then the wooden cages like this. I did a video on how I did 4 rooms cage for one of my subscribers. I did not even advertise. He just told me, can you make a cage for me? I told him yes, and I made the cage and I sent it to him. So you can also make them. Imagine I always advertise making cages. I know a lot of you guys will even say, okay, how much is this cage? I can buy even online, even without using YouTube to advertise it. You can go on Facebook, post your rabbit cages. Make sure they are affordable. And once people start knowing you that this guy is doing good rabbit cages, I will refer a friend. This one will refer, this one will refer. Before you know, you become very, very popular. That you make rabbit cages. And a lot of people that don't have time to make their cages will call you and tell you, okay, come and make my cage for me, or make it and send it down to me and I'll pay you the money. So you can make a lot of money making rabbit cages as far as you are making it in a very, very good condition and they like it, self-cleaning cage like this. You can make it and sell it and make a lot of money from it. So the last thing I'll also be talking about is selling rabbit fur. Yes, this is if you are going into rabbit for the meat aspect. Maybe when you slaughter a rabbit meat and finish skinning it, you sell the fur. But this is mostly for people in the Europe, like that they are always able to sell this rabbit fur. Here in Nigeria and Africa, I don't know if there's really market for the fur, but I will tell you, when it comes to the urine and the manure, there's market for that. But when it comes to the fur, I don't really know. But you can also make money selling this rabbit fur, their skin. Yes, after skinning them, you call someone who needs it. They use it to make bags, they use it to make shoes, they use it to make coats. I'll put many pictures of those on this video so that you guys can actually see it and know what I'm talking about. Yes, you can make money selling rabbit fur. Yes, rabbit skin. Another thing also you can also make money is if you are a rabbit farmer, you can be selling this rabbit mesh. Yes, you can be selling this rabbit mesh, especially the good ones. You can be selling the mesh because sometimes people are always looking for ways to buy this rabbit mesh. So you can be selling them even if it is on Facebook or on WhatsApp groups. You just post them, say rabbit mesh available for sales, rabbit mesh available for sale. There will be a lot of people who find interest in buying this particular rabbit mesh. Then you just tell them the price. You can just put the rabbit mesh 1 yard is 2,000 or 1 yard is 1,500. This is how thick it is. This is the size. It's 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch. You put all that there so that anyone who finds interest in that particular post will just message you directly. And rabbit mesh is not hard now. You just waybill it. It's not as hard as waybilling this rabbit feeders. One of the reasons why I don't waybill rabbit feeders out of the state is because of the weight. Yes, it's because of the weight. When you go there to the park, they will start calling a lot of money for the waybill because it's very, very heavy. So it's not like that when it comes to the rabbit mesh. Rabbit mesh is very, very light. You just fold it in a very, very little way. Then you packet it, send it to the person down there, and you get your money. So I hope you guys learned something from this video. If you did learn something from this video, please consider liking. Here in our channel, we teach people all about rabbit farming mostly and other livestock. Please consider liking our video. Subscribe to this YouTube channel if you are yet to subscribe, and also turn on the bell notification on this video. Thank you once again, guys, and until next time, as I always say, peace out.